Hi, my name is Kylie and welcome to Forest Animals. Did you know that there are different types of forests? It's true. Forests are not just a bunch of trees. If you look closely at the different types of forests, you'll find different types of animals living in each of them. In this video, you'll learn some facts about forest animals based on which type of forest they live in. Let's go on a forest adventure! Forests are fascinating living worlds. There are so many types of forests. The three main types of forests we'll explore in this video are the Boreal Forest, temperate forest, and tropical forests. Let's look at each one more closely and find out what animals live in each forest. Boreal forests are found in the northern parts of the world where it's really cold. Brr! Like in Alaska, Canada, Iceland, Scandinavia, Siberia, and other northern countries, you can find temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It is usually dry, cold air, and you won't find much precipitation in this area. That's why the trees in the boreal forests are mostly coniferous or evergreen. With short summers and really long winters, the plants and trees need to be able to survive the harsh temperatures. So you can find a lot of pine and spruce trees that keep their leaves throughout the entire winter. The animals that live in the boreal forests are able to withstand cold temperatures. They are the elk, deer, moose, which is the largest of the deer species, caribou, called reindeer in Asia and Europe, bears that hibernate in the winter, and wolves. Temperate forests are mostly found in the middle parts of the world, including Europe and North America, and also parts of China and Japan. Temperatures can be cold or hot. You can find warm summers and cool winters in these parts of the world. Because of this climate, temperate forests have deciduous and coniferous trees in them. Deciduous trees lose their leaves in the fall, like maple, oak, elm, and birch trees. In temperate forests, you can find wolves, raccoons, which are considered to be foragers because they search for food in many places in the wild, black bears, porcupines, Amur leopards, which have been reported to leap more than 19 feet horizontally, and bald eagles, which are unique to North America and can fly up to as fast as 100 miles an hour. Whoa! You can also find squirrels, crows, and bats. Tropical forests are warm, wet places located near the equator. The temperatures are around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, both day and night. We sometimes call these types of forests jungles or rainforests because there are different layers to these forests. The ground or floor is almost all shade. You can find large animals here, including the okapi, which look like zebras because of their stripes, but they are more like giraffes. They eat buds, leaves, and fruit from the plants on the ground of tropical forests. The tapir, which is a pig-like mammal that also eats plants and is nocturnal, or it stays up at night and sleeps during the day. The Sumatran rhinoceros, the smallest species of the rhinoceros with 2 horns. They are endangered, which means there aren't many left of these types of rhinoceros in the world, so we need to protect them, along with all of the animals. The western lowland gorilla, whose scientific name is gorilla, 3 times, funny, and the African forest elephant, which weighs up to 5 tons. You can also find reptiles, amphibians, and insects in this layer because they like the decaying plants and mushrooms that grow in this wet, dark part of the tropical forest. Anacondas live in the swamps within a tropical forest, and these huge snakes have been known to eat jaguars. The understory is the layer of shrubs in the middle of the tropical forest. It only receives a little sunlight. Here you can find some small mammals, birds, and reptiles. You can also find jaguars, known for their beautiful spotted fur. They look like leopards but are stronger and sturdier. Poison dart frogs also live here. They secrete a poison that can paralyze or kill predators. Their poison was once used to coat the tips of arrows. Tigers can also be found in a tropical forest. They're the largest of all the Asian big cats. Be careful. And the treetop layer, or the canopy, is where we find a lot more sunlight. Many animals live in the canopy, including monkeys, chimpanzees, spider monkeys, which are endangered, leopards, three-toed sloths, and scarlet macaws, which are also on the endangered species list because people capture these majestic, brightly colored birds to keep them as pets. Of course, some of these animals live in more than one forest or habitat, and there are also many subforests we didn't mention in this video, like the bamboo forests of China where we can find the giant panda bear. Our world is so rich with living environments. There is so much to know about forest animals because there are so many of them in the world. We couldn't cover all of them in one video. Be sure to watch our other videos about animals and practice what you've learned on our fun online games and quizzes. Remember to always be clever. Hey, hey!